Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create a group on Roblox. So first of all, open Roblox. Before start the video, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more update. So let's get started. After that, click onto more option and then showing here to group option, click on. Look at the right side, click on to create group. First, select a group name. If you want to add anything, description, and then select image, scroll down, or if you want to select anyone can join or manual approval, and then click on here, click on to purchase, then successfully create a group on Roblox. So that's it, that's how you can do it.